Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for Bitcoin, what's happening with Bitcoin and what we can expect technically. Normally, what happens with Bitcoin after a few months of halving, it becomes bullish. So that is the general trend of the Bitcoin. But in this situation, see what's happening, whether we expect bullishness or not. So monthly, as you can see, the market has tested this level. After breaking this level, market is testing this level, and month is about to end in few days. So hopefully it will go to the upside. Why? Because this structure level has been broken. And in weekly, market has tested this order block. This order block has been tested. This whole big order block has been tested from here. So that's bullish as well. And now going to weekly, going to daily, what situation we are in. Daily is bullish, as you can see. The movement of the market is possibly bullish. So that's straightforward. Now, if what can happen in the worst case here, then to the upside, or even this is another thing to look at is this broadening pattern. It's let me make a channel here. In fact, it's a channel. It's not a clear-cut channel, but let's see. The movement is like it in a channel. So if it's possible, this channel breaks to the upside with current scenario, we definitely can move. See the move to the upside. We have a level here. And once this level broken, we definitely see the move to the upside. Could possibly we see the retest and I would expect it could go more likely could go to 100,000. That's the next best number. But if you use Fibonacci, then there's a different ways you can look at it. I mean, if you use Fib here, yeah, then look, even Fib is nearly 100,000, 0.61 level. So that's it. So that's it. This is a quite straightforward analysis, and even to take small entries, you can use small 1 hour, 4 hour, and you can on structure levels you can take small entries. For example, in 4 hour we had entry here on this structure level, and because as you can see, this structure is broken here. And under retest buy, and then this order block is retested, have been tested and buy, and then this level again been tested, and you can see it's a buy in 4 hours as well. So currently here is developing a double top in 4 hours. So after consolidation, maybe, or even come down and go to the upside, or in daily, as I said, if it breaks this level test and should go to the upside. But anyway, these analyses are based on probability. So let's see how the market moves. It's not just only the technical analysis, a lot of things involved, like as I mentioned before, um, the halving of the Bitcoin and the current structure, they are aligning. So Let's see. I hope you have a good day, good night. Thank you. Bye bye.